Did you know that you don't need a separate computer to run both Arch Linux and Windows? You just need to know how to install it next to Windows 11 without touching your existing data. So first thing you want to do is to prepare for installation. You want to back up your data, create some free space, then download the Arch Linux and create a bootable USB. Then from that USB, you can boot that USB and configure the BIOS. Simply just disable the secure boot and save and exit. Then you can now install the Arch Linux, connect to your internet, update the packages, and partition your drive. Use a tool like CFDisk if needed. Then you can now mount the partitions and run the Arch install executing on your prompts. Then you can now set up the bootloader, install the bootloader, enable the prover, and boot into the Arch and regenerate the GRUB config. And then lastly is to reboot your computer. So after everything that you've done, all the steps of installations, you can now boot your computer and change the boot order either to Windows or to your Linux itself. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.